Like every year, WWDC 2022 brought several new updates for Apple devices of all sorts. One of these was the operating system that runs on the Mac, the macOS. Replacing its predecessor macOS 12, Monterey the macOS 13 promises a lot of exciting features. Apple plans to both deliver some greater kicks and improve the existing features for enhancing usability and interoperability. Later in the video, the built-in search tool for Mac, the Spotlight, may also experience some tweaks making it possible to find images in Safari, Photos, Messages, Notes, and the Finder. In addition, the live text now allows you to find pictures by whatever text might be included in an image. Hi guys, welcome back. You are watching your favorite channel, Tech World. In this video, we're going to unveil the true colors of the much-awaited Mac OS 13. Here, we have everything from the major improvements to the minor tweaks to help you decide whether the new update is actually something out of the box or not. So, make sure to watch it till the end. Also, subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon on your way. Despite being so mature, the Mac OS gets an update every year, and this year is no different. The transition of the company from Apple to Apple Silicon has a lot of say in these tweaky updates to further improve optimization, collaboration, and interoperability. From Stage Manager to Continuity Camera and updates to Safari and Mail, there are a lot of things that there are for you later in the video about the latest software update. Starting from the Stage Manager, which is also announced to be part of iPad OS 16. It provides a solution to organizing your open app windows on Mac. It allows you to focus on a task while leaving other apps at the ready. It integrates with both Mission Control and Spaces. The current window appears in the center of the screen while the other open windows rest on the left-hand side as tiny icons. And unlike in iPad 16, you don't have to worry about your device supporting Stage Manager. In fact, if your device supports macOS, Ventura Stage Manager is for you. The next feature we're bringing onto our radar is the Continuity Camera, which has made it possible for your iPhone camera to act as your Mac's webcam. Isn't it great? With this new exciting update, you can use FaceTime and other camera apps to bring innovative features like Center Stage, Portrait, Studio Light, and more to all Macs. Going on the way, let's just see what Ventura has for mails. The new update surely gives us what we have been longing for so long. The ability to unsend and schedule emails, among other new offers. Thanks to the new software, you get an alert when you forget to include an attachment or a receipt. In addition to that, we see a minor change in the settings feature where System Preferences has been replaced by System Settings, and with the name change, there's also a change of design which looks very similar to the iPad settings design. We may also have to say goodbye to passwords, so no more forgetting, phishing, and data leaks now. In the newest version of Safari, Passkeys introduces a new sign-in method that provides end-to-end encryption. The built-in search tool for Mac, the Spotlight, may also experience some tweaks, making it possible to find images in Safari, Photos, Messages, Notes, and the Finder. In addition, the live text now allows you to find pictures by whatever text might be included in an image. Moving forward, the update in FaceTime now makes it possible to move a FaceTime call from one device to another with a click thanks to the Handoff feature. The company has also worked on some privacy and accessibility improvements. So, this brings us to the end of the video. I tried to cover all the major updates so that you know what you will be experiencing as soon as you download the update. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to stay updated about our tech-savvy videos. Also, if you like the video, give a big thumbs up and fill the comments with your thoughts and views. See you in the next video.